Quite often, if you put those products into a closed container and open the lid, you get that ammonia smell when you open the lid. It's because they're old technology chemicals. Don't use them, they're no good for your health. All this product range here is based on modern technology out of Germany. It's a lot safer to use. A lot safer to use. And if you hop on our YouTube channel, you can have a good laugh, because I did a video with a bloke called Alf. He started building boats when he was 14 with his father. He got to the stage from using old technology epoxy that he spent 2 weeks in bed. And the doctor said, you go back near that stuff, we'll put you in a coffin. And it affected his central nervous system. And it's accumulative, it doesn't go away. Once you become hypersensitive, you're hypersensitive for life. And anyway, he was using our single pack polyurethane to build these traditional 10-foot boats, and we wanted to go and have a look and see how he was getting the success, because you've got to clamp that really tight and no gap to get good adhesion. And we went up, and he got me to take up a small kit of epoxy glue to glue some fittings on the gunnel. He supposedly, his son was going to do it. Based on me saying it was safer to use, he ended up using it. The old bugger's now using it without gloves. That's how much safer it is. If he went and used old technology stuff, he'd be down for ages, if not in a coffin. Yet he can safely use ours.